So I just bought this little screen here. You can see that it's just turned on. It flickered just a little bit, just a hair. You can see this strobing some. I know it looks like the fan's moving, but it's actually in the background of it. You can see how that has just flashed. Alright, so that's what the issue is, and we're going to take it apart. This is a Laredo Western Boot sign company. He got it at a yard sale. I think he paid like 20 bucks for it or something. Let's check it apart. So here's what it says. Lamp type F25 T8-41K. So the side piece just unscrewed, and this piece slid right out. And lo and behold, it's just fluorescent bulbs. That's all there is. So probably just needs 4 new fluorescent bulbs, and it'll be good. It's kind of neat how they used this as a lighting for that. So we'll change the bulbs out and show that it works. So replacing these bulbs is just a matter of turning them and getting them out of the socket. And that's all you're gonna have to do. And it should just pull straight up. And you'll do that for all 4 bulbs. Just turn it and break the silicone that they have put down. And we'll get to the next step. You do the standard T8, 36 inches. That's all it is. It's T8 right there. 36-inch bulbs. You see, and they're 25 watts. And date in here, November of '96. Basically, what you're going to do is just get the bulb to sit flush in here, and then you're just going to rotate it. And it'll lock into place. And it shouldn't move too much. Like this has a little bit wiggle. There we go, that's better. Now all 4 bulbs are brand new, and we'll have to get these other bulbs recycled. Can't go in the regular garbage, they have to be recycled. I want to slide the piece back on, screw it in, and see that it works. There's the ballast. Nice. Look how bright that thing is. That's awesome. Cool. Not every day you get to work on stuff like this. It's different. There's not much to it. Just change the 4 bulbs, and if that doesn't fix your problem, the only thing you have left to do is either your sockets or the ballast. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Something different. We'll see you next time.